Mabuhay, ladies and gentlemen! Just sit back, relax, and buckle up because today we will be learning in great heights. Everyone, brace yourself as we prepare for takeoff.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Nanoworld! What is Nanoworld? Nanoworld of science and technology has emerged as a significant interest for governments, industries, and academicians. The two terms used in the literature with reference to the world of nanomaterials are nanoscience and nanotechnology. Nanoscience refers to the scientific study of materials of nanometer size and is a combination of developments in solid-state chemistry, synthetic chemistry, molecular biology, solid-state physics, and engineering, and also scanning tunneling microscopy. While the nanotechnology refers to various technologies to produce materials of extra high precision and dimensions on the scale of 1/1000th of a meter. It implies the ability to generate and utilize structures, components, and devices with a size range from about 0.1 nanometer to about 100 nanometer. Nanoworld is a highly integrated and extensively broad area of research and development.
What is Nanoworld? The term nano refers to a unit meaning 1 million or 10 raised to negative 9. For example, a nanometer is 1/1000th of a meter. Hence, nano expresses a very tiny amount or size, or for measuring the extremely small. Here are some examples of nano. A sheet of paper is about 100,000 nanometers thick. A strand of a human DNA is 2.5 nanometer in diameter. There are 25,400,000 nanometers in 1 inch. A human hair is approximately 80,000 to 100,000 nanometers wide. A single atom is about a third of a nanometer in diameter. On a comparative scale, if a diameter of a marble was 1 nanometer, then the diameter of the Earth would be about 1 meter. Lastly, 1 nanometer is about as long as your fingernail grows in 1 second.
What products use nanotechnology? Sunscreen. Nanoparticles have been added to sunscreen for years to make them more effective. Two particular types of nanoparticles commonly added to sunscreen. These are titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. Clothing. When used in textiles, nanoparticles of silica can help to create fabrics that repel water and other liquids. Last, computers. Without nanotechnology, we wouldn't have many of the electronics we use in everyday life.
What is the use of nanomaterials? Nanomaterials are used in a variety of manufacturing processes, products, and healthcare, including paints, filters, insulation, and lubricant additives. Nanomaterials can also be used to design a pharmaceutical that can target specific organs or cells in the body, such as cancer cells, and enhance the effectiveness of therapy. Another is that nanomaterials can also be added to cement, cloth, and other materials to make them stronger and yet lighter. The size of a nanotechnology or nanomaterials is extremely useful in electronics, and they can also be used in environmental remediation or cleanup to bind with and neutralize toxins. So how is nanotechnology used today? Nanotechnology has various applications in different sectors of the society, especially in healthcare, environment, energy, food, water, and agriculture. Nano-engineered materials make a superior household products such as degreasers and stain removers, environmental sensors, air purifiers and filters, antibacterial cleaners, and specialized paints and sealing products such as self-cleaning house paints that resist dirt and marks.
Who will benefit from nanotechnology? We humans are the ones that are benefited the most in using nanotechnology. How? Applications of nanotechnology, everyday materials and processes. Using nanotechnology, materials can effectively be made stronger, lighter, more durable, more reactive, more safe-like, or better electrical conductors. Many everyday commercial products are currently on the market and in daily use that rely on nanoscale materials and processes. Electronics and IT applications. Nanotechnology has greatly contributed to major advances in computing and electronics, leading to faster, smaller, and more portable systems that can manage and store larger and larger amounts of information. Medical and healthcare applications. Nanotechnology is already broadening the medical tools, knowledge, and therapies currently available to clinicians. Nanomedicine, the application of nanotechnology in medicine, draws on the natural scale of biological phenomena to produce precise solutions for disease prevention, diagnosis, and treatment. Energy applications. Nanotechnology is finding application in traditional energy sources and is greatly enhancing alternative energy approaches to help meet the world's increasing energy demands. Many scientists are looking into ways to develop clean, affordable, and renewable energy sources, along with means to reduce energy consumption and lessen toxic burdens on the environment. Future transportation benefits. Nanotechnology offers the promise of developing multifunctional materials that will contribute to building and maintaining lighter, safer, smarter, and more efficient vehicles, aircraft, spacecrafts, and ships. In addition, nanotechnology offers various means to improve the transportation infrastructure. Is nanotechnology safe for society? Nanotechnology has a huge potential to transform people's lives for the better. We start using cheap, lightweight solar plastics, which make solar energy widely available. Nanoparticles can clean up toxic chemical spills as well as airborne pollutants. Nanotechnology has direct beneficial applications for medicine and the environment, but like all technologies, it may have unintended effects that can adversely impact the environment, both within the human body and within the natural ecosystem.
Why is Nanoworld important? Nanoworld is important because it aids and revolutionizes many different aspects of science and industry, including energy, environmental science, homeland security, transportation, food safety, information technology, and medicine. Not only that, nanoparticles can also be used to deliver chemotherapy drugs to specific cells such as cancer cells. What is the future of nanotechnology? In the future, nanotechnology could also enable objects to harvest energy from their environment. New nanomaterials and concepts are currently being developed that show potential for producing energy from movement, light variations in temperature, glucose, and other sources with high conversion efficiency. Scientists and engineers believe that nanotechnology can be used to benefit human health now and in the future through applications such as better filters for improving water purification, more effective methods of delivering drugs and medicine, and new ways of preparing damaged tissues and organs.